Bismillahirrahmanirrahim and Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to Brillium's online science class for grade 1. Open up page number 9. Write down the date and the day on the top. Today the topic of discussion is Unit 2, the senses. We all have how many senses? 5 senses: sight, smell, hearing, taste and touch. Well, there is constant change going on around us, and we always keep on noticing the change in order to protect ourselves, in order to make ourselves comfortable with the environment. So we have 5 senses to sense the changes around us. These are sight, hearing, smell, taste and touch. How do we use the senses? Sight, then we are going to study hearing and the rest. Sight, we see with our eyes. We can see how big or how far away something is. We can see colors and shapes with the help of our eyes. You can see this beetle on the leaf with the help of your eyes, and you can use a magnifier which will make it look larger than it normally is, and you can use it to see things. So we see more clearly when things are in bright light rather than in dim light. So you are quite aware that at night you are not able to see things properly and clearly, while during the daytime everything is quite visible to your eyes. Next is hearing. We hear sounds with our ears. We can hear people speaking. We can hear loud sounds and soft sounds, and we can hear sounds that are near us and some that are far away. So you use which organ to hear things? Use your ears, and for sight we use our eyes. Our next sense is sense of smell. We smell with our nose. Some things smell pleasant while others smell bad or unpleasant. You can smell well, you can smell bad things around you as well. So smell is a blessing for you. Taste, we taste things with our tongue. We can taste sweet, sour, bitter and salty foods, and if something is not good, you are going to avoid it. If something is good in taste and is not stale, then you're going to eat it. So taste is a good thing for you. You can taste things with the help of your tongue. Next is touch. We can touch and feel with the skin on our body. We can feel it if something is hard or soft, sharp, rough or smooth, hot, warm or cold. If you are going to touch something that is hot, what are you going to do? You are going to withdraw your hand because your hands might burn. So sense of touch is a blessing for us. Our senses tell us what is happening around us. They tell us to enjoy life. They can save us from dangers. Taking care of our senses is very much important for us. You should protect your ears from loud sounds. You do not stick things in your ears. You might hit your eardrum and it might break. Protect your eyes. Never look directly at the sun. It might hurt your eyes and might cause other problems as well. Write the part of the body which is used for each of the 5 senses listed below. Choose the words from the box. Here I have done it for you. You can do it and then check it from my book. Alright. Next is movement. We move in different ways. We can run, jump, crawl and slide, walk, roll and turn. We can move many parts of our body. Movement is very much important for you. If you are not going to move, you might become sluggish, slow, and your muscles will become weak, and you will not be able to perform normal daily jobs easily. So here are these how are these children moving, which part of the body they are using. You can look here, he's using his hand to hold the dog and he's walking as well, so he's using his legs. She's jumping, so which part of the body she is using? Her legs, feet, her arms and the muscles. Okay, so similarly discuss these body parts that are being used in these actions with your parents. And here are some words to use. These are the words: run, push, chew, yawn, jump, pull, sit, walk, sing, stroke, cuff, balance, write, nod, kick, hold, stretch. So these are all the words that are taken from these pictures, and you can use them. Okay, next is parts: eyes, chest, fingers, thumb, head, toes, legs, chin, neck, arms, lips, back, hand, tongue, shoulders, feet, and jaws. So you can well imagine which part of this picture is using which movement and which body parts. You can easily discuss. You can send me your answers. See you in the class. Till then, thank you.